a game of gab and we got on board. The Guava Juice Box 2. Let's get to it. What is in values? Then you have a quality box card. A Roy, and a Oogie fonts. The Oogie fonts. But how do you get it open? How do you get the Oogie fonts open? Oogie, I'm getting you out, Oogie. Oogie. A Oogie font. Oogie. Oh God, a cow cap. Whoa. I'm going to open this. I'm going to put it on the cow cap. Whoa. It's a little bit big. It's got to go, Ducky. Ducky. Oh, yeah, come on, well, Ducky. Oh, Ducky. Could be how big that Oogie one is. Oh, got you. Opa. Oh, let's see what that is. It's huge. Oh my God. Oh gee, I don't open that one up. Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh, guava juice, water gun. Ah, it's so sticky. Bad. Ain't no bad. Oh, let's open that one good. Ah, y'all arrow, feel it there. Yeah, pew. Not in the Guava box. Guava juice, gooey, shampoo. You have then that. Now that's on that. Guava juice, bubble bath, and then last but not least, there is guava juice bath bombs. That's it for the video, guys. That's it. That is guava juice box number 2. Bye-bye.